He entered into a room and he saw that there were four candles lit up there. चार मोमबत्तियां वहां जली हुई थी. As the boy came there, one of the candles started talking to the boy, said, I am love. And in today's world, nobody cares a damn for love. Everybody cares for money. Everybody cares for things. Everybody cares for popularity and fame. Nobody cares for me. Genuine, true love. And the candle went off. After that, the boy felt a little despondent. The candle called love is gone off. He turned to the other candle. The second candle spoke. He said, I am trust. And it's very difficult to find real trust in the world today. It's hard to trust a guy or a girl. It's sometimes even hard to trust close members of the family or friends. Often I say trust is like a chocolate bar. Once it melts, it's hard to get it back to the same shape again. The candle of trust spoke. आजकल मुझे किसी को मेरी जरूरत नहीं है. Nobody cares for me and I don't have any value in this world today. Saying so, the second candle, trust, went off. The candle of love extinguished, the candle of trust extinguished and gone off. The boy turned to the third candle. This candle said, I am peace. But in the world today, who cares for peace? Everybody's simply moving towards gaining more, having more. Everybody's into the hustle. Everybody's into the grind. सब लोग केवल मेहनत करते रहते हैं, भागते रहते हैं. ऐसे सिचुएशन में मेरे किसी को जरूरत नहीं है शांति की, पीस की. And the third candle, peace, also went off. The boy started crying. The candle of love has gone off, the candle of trust has gone off, the candle of peace has gone off, and these three things are so crucial in life. No matter what we have in our life, how much money, how much facility, how much luxury we have in life, लेकिन ये तीन चीजें बहुत जरूरी होती है. एक प्यार, love, दूसरा विश्वास, trust, और तीसरा शांति, peace. As the boy was crying, the fourth candle turned towards the boy and spoke up. Said, do not worry, dear. I have not gone up yet. My name is Hope. I am the candle of hope. As long as I am on, as long as my flame is still lit up, you don't have to worry. You don't have to give up. You don't have to feel despondent. You don't have to feel depressed. You don't have to feel dejected. Take me and light these other three candles of love, peace and trust. The boy picked up the candle of hope. बच्चे ने hope की, आशा की, उम्मीद की मोमबत्ती उठा ली और इन तीनों मोमबत्तियों को वो जलाने लगा. Soon the candle of love was lit up. प्यार की मोमबत्ती जल गई. And then the candle of trust lit up. विश्वास की भी मोमबत्ती जल गई. And then the candle of peace, he lit up the candle of peace with the candle of love. शांति की भी candle, मोमबत्ती जल गई. Ladies and gentlemen, दोस्तों, isn't it amazing? जब तक हमारे लाइफ में होप की कैंडल है ना, बाकी सब बुझ भी जाएंगे ना, फिर से जला सकते हैं. Until the time we have the candle of hope with us, we will be able to light up any other candle in life that may get extinguished, that may be blown off, that may turn off. And which is why hope against hope, आशा, उम्मीद बनाए रखना, बरकरार रखना कितना जरूरी है. How important it is for all of us to keep that candle of hope burning. So here we have Zakir Khan with us, and I'm going to request Zakir Khan joining us in a moment. Shukriya, Zakir.